Hello guys, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. All right guys, so how are you doing? And this is another opportunity, and I want to show us a good trade that I just spotted right now. I mean a good trade, a good entry, which I know is going to give us as usual, more than 100 pips. And when I say more than 100 pips, that means we're expecting like 200, 300 thereabouts. All right, so this is a trade I've been waiting for long, I mean for a while now, but it just presented itself to me and I want to enter the trade right now. As you know, I will show you the before and I will show you the after video. If it goes against me, I'm going to show you. If it goes for me, I'm going to show you. But 95% of time it's always for me. Yeah, so that's how we roll. All right, so this is a trade on USDC HF, a trade that's running on USDC HF, and this is the kind of trade that used to help us to grow a small trading account. They help us to grow a small trading account, because if you are able to catch 100 pips effortlessly, that means we can double our account with normal risk management. Yes, using normal risk management. So I'm going to enter this trade right now. As you can see, we have this zone you are seeing. This color you are seeing is an higher time frame zone. Yeah, so I'm going to show us everything. But first of all, let me enter the position that I need to enter for this trade, right? So this first position is just for, let me just enter it. Yeah, this is not the main position, but in case price wants to do its things, so the way it price used to do now, so that's why I enter this position in case if it doesn't want to come back to retest the zone that we want to target. So now I'm going to enter my limit zone. So let's see what is going to happen. This particular trade have entered it before and it actually went against me. Yeah, around this zone. But I have a rule that is called second attempt rule. We have it on my premium mentorship. If you are part of my trainees, you will know. Well, you know about this, because I also dropped this chart, the full analysis of this with my mentees, which I know they will also enter this trade right now. So this particular trade presented itself for the second entry, for second entry opportunity. So let's see if the second entry I used to talk about, I used to scream about, I used to shout about, I used to hype, if it's even something like hype, if it's worth hyping, that kind of thing. So we are going to see right now with this trade. This is second attempt. We call it second attempt. So second attempt has presented itself right now. So let me enter my limit levels right now. All right, so I'm going to be using Fibonacci replacement. Fibonacci retracement to time my entries. I'm going to be using it to time my entry, so that I'm going to be able to enter at the right place. All right, so we can see the retracement level here, and we can see the profit margin, the profit level. So I'm going to enter here. I'm going to enter on 20 something. Set one limit here, set another limit here, guys. All right guys, so I've entered my positions right here. So let's see what the market is going to present for us. See, I am Michael, the selfless strategic trader. If this trade should fail, I will not trade Forex again. Don't mind me, I'm not a market maker. If it fails, we trade another day. But notwithstanding, guys, this is my setup. Yes, I discovered my setup before I entered this trade. So I discovered my setup before I entered this trade. Second attempt most of the time doesn't fail. Actually, we have first attempt, second attempt. If it happens the third time, please we forget about that trade. Yes, because we have 3 cycles in market. Yes, 3 cycles in market. Well, you may not really know much about that. This particular trade setup, I'm going to drop it for general group right now, so that all my subscribers can partake in this particular trade, So I'm going to screenshot this setup right now, and I'm going to send it to the general group. Not with my position. I'm going to send a plain chart of this to the general group for them to enter. So if you are not a subscriber, this is one of the things that you will miss being my subscriber. So it is better for you to subscribe and join my WhatsApp and Telegram group right now. Check the description for link, so that you can join right now, like right now. See, my subscribers are going to enjoy this, because it's going to deliver nothing less than 100 pips for us. So if you're unable to enter this trade, it's because you're not my subscriber. So it's better you subscribe if you are joining us for the first time, so that you can partake. And if you want to skyrocket your trading experience, just subscribe for my mentorship. It's very cheap. It is the cheapest in the whole universe. Yes, actually. All right, so hold on. So this is the chart I'm going to be sending to the general group right now. If you are not my subscriber, you will not enjoy this, guys. If you are not my subscriber, you will not enjoy this. Yeah, so it's better for you to subscribe, so that you will enjoy what is going to happen to this trade right now. So see me as I share it to the group. Now it's shared on the first group. It's shared on the second group, now to the Telegram group, to the Telegram channel, I mean. And this is Telegram channel, and it is sent. So if you are not a subscriber of this channel, you will not really enjoy all this, because this pair you are seeing right now is going to deliver for us more than 100 pips. When I mean more than 100 pips, please just trust me, it's going to deliver more than 100 pips. So we are not expecting anything less than 100 pips. So let's see how it goes. Let's see what the market is going to deliver for us. Hi, I'm your guy and this is your guy. So just hold on and let's see what the market is going to deliver. Today is Friday. By Monday, or let me say throughout next week, the next week is going to be for this trade you are seeing right here. Yes, next week will be for this trade. Yes, so this trade, we can hold this trade for next week. In fact, we can hold only this trade for next week, and it's going to cover many profit for us. That is how to trade, guys. You don't need to trade all the days. You don't need to trade today, trade tomorrow, trade. No. So when you see a very clean trade that will give you 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 pips, just take the trade and relax. You do other things. Or you see another trade like that, you trade that one. That means you are running two trades that can give you maybe potential 500 or 1000 pips. It's as simple as that. Trading is easy, guys. See, just hold on. Let's see if I'm just making math or if the price we do what you're talking about. Right, guys, so we can see what I was telling us, like the delivery was just accurate, and from down to the top we can see it delivered 105 pips. It delivered 105 pips, 105 pips. So I told you, if you refuse to subscribe, you are missing out. You are the one missing. Yes, I'm very proud now. And I'm just kidding, guys. So subscribe to this channel, and I'm very sure this trade will still go up. At least it should be able to deliver 200, 300 pips. But now we've gotten our normal 100 pips. In fact, more than 100 pips, 105 pips, which is not bad. Anyway, that's not bad. That's not bad. If you can catch 105 pips, and you know, I dropped this analysis. You guys saw that I dropped this analysis on the group, on the platforms, and everything delivered just the way we predicted it, just the way we analyzed it. So what else do you want, guys? What else do you want? So this is a new week. The trade is open now. The market is open now. I'm going to take partials right now. Hold on. All right, so you can see partials have been taken, so we can now lock it and allow it to run. Probably it's going to get here, and that will be like 200 pips. All right, so let's see what it's going to deliver for us. There's something I want to show us. Let me quickly show us the analysis. Let me show us the analysis of this trade. All right, I think I once shown us this trade before on the challenge we are in. I've forgotten. I ought to have uploaded the videos on the challenge. The videos are ready, but to edit, please, if you are good, in editing, please reach out to me. Let's talk. All right, so on this trade we can see liquidities lying here. So price came to clear liquidity. So we know anytime price clears liquidity, it will always go back. It will always do a retest before it continues selling, if it's for sell buyers. So we targeted the area we wanted price to what? The area we wanted price to pull back. So that's why we marked this area. That's why we marked this zone right there. So from here we went to lower time frame. Sometimes we use 15 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes 1 minute, sometimes 1 hour. So we go to lower time frame to look for entry. So anything that happens in our zone, there are patterns that we look for in our zone. If you join my premium mentorship program, you will understand better on the entries. So there are patterns that we look for. Same liquidity clearance on lower time frame. So we look for liquidity clearance on lower time frame. So once we spot liquidity clearance on lower time frame, we take our trade. But there are other things that we consider. There are other factors we consider before we can take trade, before we take any trade. When you join the premium mentorship, you will understand better. So if you remember this trade we are in right now, it was dropped on our Telegram channel and also on our WhatsApp channel. Second attempt for this pair, and it's delivered. We have some people that followed us with the first attempt. Now the second attempt presented itself, and it gave us 100 pips. As at that time it gave us 100 pips. So if you subscribe, you also benefit from this kind of updates. They come once in a while, they don't come always, so have that at the back of your mind. But the time they come, just know you are going to catch big pips with us. All right, guys, so let's see what the market will deliver for us. Maybe it's going to deliver close to what is called 200 or 300 pips. I will still give us more updates on this trade. We can see what the market is delivering for us on this pair. It's a region here. It's a region right here, and we can see how many pips are we right now from our entry point down to this high, and that is 124 pips. 124 pips. Who does that? The selfless strategic trader. All right, guys, so this is what we do. This is your guide. See, well, I don't know what to say, but this is just what we do. We don't target anything less than 100 tips. 100 tips is just 100 tips is just the least. It's just the least. So we've proven and we've shown it over and over and over again that this is what we do. that this is what we do. This is what we do. So if you know the person that knows the way, just follow the person. So follow the person, and that is why we are here, and that is why I'm here. The selfless strategic trader in God we trust. He has given us the full knowledge and understanding to understand how the market delivers, how everything works. All right, so stay tuned to my channel and let's see watch out for what the price will really deliver from this trade, what the price is going to deliver from this trade. Maybe it's still going to go haywire all the way to the top, or we just start to target what is called reversal. If I see any reason to start selling, I close by immediately, I enter sell. No time wastage, nothing. So that is how we roll, guys. That is how we roll. Oh my guys, man, you know what? Yeah, this is your guy, Mark. Know what I'm saying now? All right, guys. So this is the outcome. This is what we are talking about. How many pips right now? From here, where we entered, up to the top. Oh, that is 167 pips. 167 pips, guy. 167 pips. What else do you want? This is how we roll, guys. I am your guy, Michael, the selfless strategic trader, the one the Lord has revealed, the strategy of Forex. Yeah. So see, this is what we do. Yeah, on a serious note now, this is what we do. We can see. If you are new here, we have fulfilled our agenda on this pair, catching more than 100 pips. Yes, I told us the minimum pips is 100 pips. That is what we catch on this pair, on this platform. And I showed us earlier how that I shared this particular trade on all our platforms on our WhatsApp. You can see how I shared it on our WhatsApp before it happened. Yes, this is the setup before it happened, and we can see that we have actually fulfilled what we wanted from this pair. And I said 101 pips already. Okay, this was before it was shared. This was the main pair when it was shared. You can see it here. Right? You can see it here before it's played out. We expected it to retest this level and shoot up, and that is the exact thing that it did. Yeah. So, and we also shared it on our Telegram platform. Yes, second attempt for this pair, because the first attempt it did not hit our profit, and the second attempt it hit our profit. Yeah. So that is how we roll. If you are new, if you are just joining us, please stay subscribe to this channel, like the video and leave your comment. And I'm going to be giving us more updates, because when you are connected to our platform, you have chance to take advantage of trades we share like this once in a while. There are other things that I share on the platform, so stay connected and stay. If I show you what's happening on the premium right now, if you want to know what's happening on the premium, just come to this Telegram channel, click on this search button here, and test and type hashtag testimony, then enter. So when you enter like this, you will see the testimonies, the things that have been happening on our Telegram platform. You will see everything, how my students are making the market. You will see testimonies and how they are performing, how they are doing very well. I forwarded everything, and you can see my students are catching more than 250 pips, more than 100 pips. Like, you can see how they are performing really well. So if you want to trade like this, you can see a student catching 700 pips. You can see it there. So if you want to trade like this, if you want to learn like this, if you really want to add trading to your arsenal, just come and get my premium mentorship before it goes high, because the price will soon go very high. It's very soon to go high. So if you want to take advantage, just stay subscribed and enroll to my premium mentorship, guys. I know many of you actually thought that all we had for this trade, but no, we have more. How many pips are we right now from beginning down from up to the top, and that is 322 pips. 322 pips, guys. 322 pips. Who does that? Well, I know of one person, Michael, the selfless strategic trader. This is what we've come to offer you, and this is what we offer. This is how we roll, and this is what we do. Yeah. So if you want to be a profitable trader like this, see, this thing is not magic. It's not a magic. I analyzed this trade for us. Even on the small account that I've been holding, I analyzed this trade, and I told us the reason why I was going to be closing the trade on the small account when it was like 150 pips or thereabouts, and I told us I'm going to be holding this trade on my other accounts. Yes, because we have a goal for that particular account, and that is what we are seeing here. I told us when I first entered around here that it's a big blow for me to enter there, because I know liquidity is still lying here, and price will come to clear this liquidity zone, which I use this what is called this line, this white line you are seeing here, which I used to indicate the liquidity zone around here, and price actually came and did that. You can see the liquidity candle here, so it came and cleared the candle, it cleared the liquidity zone here, and we go to lower time frame where another liquidity zone was created for us to be able to enter. In fact, if you check 1 hour also, you will see that there's another liquidity zone here. If you go down to lower time frame, you will discover that you have to secure liquidity zones before you can be able to enter trades safely. Yes, if you know how to time yourself to know when to enter and all that, trading is going to be very easy for you. Trading is going to be very easy for you. You see that it did not even come back to retest our other zones, and we've taken enough partials. We've taken much partials on this trade. We've taken much partials on this trade. So guys, this is what I do. This is what I offer. My name is Michael, the selfless strategic trader. You see, this trade was shared across all my platforms, Telegram, WhatsApp, and all that. So if you are not there, you are missing. Actually, you are missing. So I will actually encourage you to be part of the family by subscribing to this channel, by liking, and also joining our platforms. Leave your comments below and let's roll, guys. Let's roll, guys. All right, guys.